Hey there guys, today we're going to be building this rocket wiggler. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. You can start by cutting up pieces of metal to length. We've dug a large circle here, and it just seems easier to dig a large hole than having all these small little islands as well. To get a triangle, and the triangle that's going to be at the top, lay that down on a flat surface, and then we can weld those pieces together. So you get some piece of pipe that is going to be the same diameter as the pipe that is going to be sitting vertically. So now we're welding small little swing hangers here, and there's a method to this one. So first thing you want to do is weld the thinner tube onto one of the side walls. We can cut and weld these pieces, the vertical piece and the diagonal piece that are going to be connecting to each other, cutting them, welding them together, and making sure we're cleaning up all of those welds. Just grab some scrap metal here, anything will do because it's going to be in the ground and buried. Cut these pieces so that they're going to be the same length as what we've got at the top, and then we're going to weld them together. So that's going to act not only as a support base when it's in the ground, it means that these holes will be running parallel to each other the whole way, because they're going to have the same distance in between each piece. So now just build a brick wall around the piece where it's going to be sitting. So then we can pour the concrete in, and we're not going to be wasting concrete there. This piece is going to be having some chain connecting all of these ties together. Now these chains, we want them to be wobbling around a whole lot, so we've made up these small little hangers, and we've got our swing hangers in place here now. We've got our chain attached, and I've got a little sack of grease here. Don't be shy, just get all in there, and that'll just help this thing swing much more freely. Now our frame's all together, and we've attached our chain here. Just using some bolts going through onto these little tabs up here, making sure all of those chains are the same length, going about 2 meters for this one. Then once we've got them in place, we can gauge where we want those ties to be sitting. We're cutting out some small holes that the chain can fit through those side walls of the tires, pop them through, and then we're going to be drilling into the tread of those tires as well, marking out where that's going to sit, and then we're going to bolt those straight through those chain links, so it'll be really, really strong. Now when you're drilling these holes, you want to make sure that you go far enough in, because at the corners here, that rubber is really, really thick. You need to take it in probably about 3, maybe 4 centimeters, and that's when the corner of that inside of the tire becomes a bit thinner. The frame is in place now, and we've got our 3 tires here. We're using truck tires for this one, nice and sturdy. We're now going to drill holes. We need 3 holes in here. We've got 1, 2, 3, and we can put those close to the edge. Those holes need to be large enough though so that a chain can fit through there. Then we're going to bolt those chains through the length into this tread here. Then that'll go through the bottom as well. Make sure they're nice and spick and span, and then we're going to put some primer on that. So for all of these plans, you can download the step-by-step instructions, really easy to follow, draw all over them, they're lots of fun and super simple. Check them out. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.